Okay, as the lockdown continues because of the beer bug, how about we do another, this is just a real quick recipe, something if you're in a pinch or you're really tired or you just got some leftovers that you want to get rid of, because this is shit I pulled literally out of the fridge and pantry. This is about a pound of leftover chicken I had from the night before that I just cubed up in about quarter-inch to half-inch pieces. I didn't measure. And then this is just a jar of pesto. Seriously. I'm not going to make anything. I'm just going to make store-bought shit come alive. And then you want the whole jar of pesto. And like I said, this is great for if you're kind of in lockdown. You want to get some shit that's been in your pantry forever out of there. The only thing I will say with this, as someone who has basically gotten more and more used to making my own Alfredo sauces, and I kind of gave the next ingredient away, and making my own pestos, the sauce wasn't bad. It just was kind of flat. It just didn't really, pop, if that makes any sense. Then I got a pot of boiling water on there. Just make sure the only thing there is make sure you salt your water. I probably put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of salt. I forget what it's. There's no real recipe for it. It's just you want it as salty as the sea for some fucking reason. But this is a great little thing just to do if you want to spice up Alfredo or whatever. And then just 2 jars of Alfredo sauce. And yeah, just let this kind of simmer and come together while you're making your pasta. Okay, and after about 10 minutes, we're going to be ready to go. So we'll give this kind of a one last little stir around. Like I said, this is nothing fancy. This is something if you're really tired, in a huge hurry, because this can be done and ready to go in however long it takes your fucking stove to boil a pot of water, and then about 10 minutes after that to cook the pasta, and this can be ready to go. So if you know you don't have a lot of time, this is something to keep in your back pocket. If you have slightly more time, make the Alfredo sauce yourself. It takes about an extra 20 minutes. Okay, and then just give the pasta a stir around, and that's it. Chicken Alfredo pesto from cans. Done. Basically a real quick lockdown meal. Done.